Welcome to class 9 of Learn to Chant Soundarya Lahari. So today we are going to have another individual chanting session, revision session, as some of them could not chant in the previous class. So I'm hoping that many more of you can chant today, and I had sent out a form for you to fill so that we already have the names of those who wish to chant. So I will be calling out the names in the order in which I have received them. So let us begin as usual with Guru Vandanam and Mangala Shlokaha. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shruti smriti purananamayam karunalayam Namami bhagavat pada shankaram lokashankaram Saundaryalahari kartre sarvamangaladayine Shankaracharya Varyaya Yatirajayate Namaha. Okay, so today I think directly we can move to the chanting, because last class I've already recited the first 20 verses. Yes, so I'll be calling out the names. Please unmute yourselves. Vamshi Sudha. Vamshi Sudha, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini. Shruyate va?
Yeah, Shruyate.
Astu. Pathami va?
Avashyam.
Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Shiva Shaktya Yuktaf Yadi Bhavati Shaktaf Prabhavitum Na Chedevam Devaha Na Khalu Kushala Spanditum Api Atasvamaradhyam Harihara Virinchadibhirapi Pranantum Stotum Va Kathamakruta Punyaf Prabhavati.
Uttamam Bhagini, please note here, it is not Shiva Shaktya Yuktaf. There is no fur there. It is Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha. So the Visarga is chanted completely.
Astu Bhagini, Dhanyavada.
But if you want to combine, it would be Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati. That is if you combine. Otherwise, it is Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha. Please note that. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Sujata Bhagini. Yes, Sujata Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. I'll just change the shloka. Yes, Bhagini.
Taniyam sampamsum tava charana pankeruha bhavam virinchis sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi kathamapi sahasrena shirasam harasam shubhyainam bhajati bhasito Pulana vidhim.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Next, Janhavi Satish. Like I had told you, please log in with the same name in which you have registered on the form. Janhavi Satish.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Avidyanamantastimiramihiraddvipanagari Jadanan Chaitanyasthimiramihinnatvani स्तबकमकरन्दस्रुतिझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानान्दं श्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति.
Uttamam Bhagini, the way you combined the sandhis everywhere, Anuswara Sandhi was very good.
धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadaha. Mani Kumari Bhagini. I don't know if you have logged in as Mani only. If you had given your name, please chant. Please unmute and then you can chant. Okay. Next. Hanishri Bhagini. Hanishri Bhagini.
राम 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 भगिनी.
Ram Ram Ram.
त्वदन्यः पाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेकानैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्यभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Next. Jayashri Shankar. Jayashri Shankar. Yes. Yes, Jayashri Bhagini. Please unmute.
Yeah. Thank you. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I'll be chanting fifth, is it?
Yeah, fifth one. I'll just change the words. Yes. Shloka.
हरिस्त्वामाराध्य प्रणतजनसौभाग्यजननीं पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभमनयत् स्मरोऽपि त्वान्नत्वा रतिनयनलेह्येन वपुषा मुनीनामप्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Next. Sushama Kanetkar Bhagini. Please unmute.
Namaste.
Namaste Bhagini. Yes.
Dhanu Paushpam Maurvim Madhukaramai Panchavishikhaha Vasantas Samantaha Malayamarudayo Dhanarataha Tathapyekas Sarvam Himagirisute Kamapi Krupam Apangate Labdva Jagadidamanango Vijayate.
Uttamam. Bhagini, the first line again.
1 second, my specs went somewhere.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah. Dhanu Paushpam Maurvi Madhukaramai Panchavishikhaha.
Uttamam. First time I heard it as Maurveem. I heard it wrong, so which is why I just wanted to make sure. Well chanted.
Namaskar.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Namaste. Neha Anisetti. Neha, 7th verse.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram 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 Neha.
क्वर्णत्काञ्चीदामा करिकलभकुम्भस्तननता परिक्षीणा मध्ये परिणतशरच्चन्द्रवदना धनुर्बाणान् पाशं श्रेणिमपि दधाना करतलैः पुरस्तादास्तान्नः पुरमथितुराहो पुरुषिका।
Uttamam Neha, well chanted. Very good.
धन्यवादाः।
Dhanyavadaha. Next, Aparna Setu Bhagini. I don't know, there are two Aparnas, Aparna India, Aparna 236. I don't know who is Aparna Setu. Okay, I'm unmuting Aparna India now. Request all of you to please log in with the same name as you have registered. Aparna India.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Verse
Was
8,
it-
right?
Yes, you are Aparna Setu.
Correct. Aparna Setu and
okay.
Aparna India are same. I think Aparna 239, I'm not sure.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah.
Sudha Sindor Madhye Suravitapi Vati Parivrute Manidvipe Nipo Pavanavati Chinta Manigrihe Shivakare Manche Paramashiva Paryanka Nilayam Bhajanti Tvam Danyah Katichana Chidananda Laharim.
Yes, Bhagini, in all the places you should improve the Mahaprana. It should be more clear. Sudha Sindhor Madhye. And last
Okay,
line, Bhajanti Tvam Dhanyaha. The Mahaprana should be clearer, Bhagini. Please pay attention to all the Mahapranas.
Okay, thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Anuradha Anisetti, Bhagini. I don't see Anuradha Bhagini's name here. Neha, maybe they've logged in. Neha Anisetti, I'm unmuting you. Is Anuradha Bhagini there?
Ram.
Ram, yes. Please
Yeah, we
chant.
both logged in from the same.
Yes, please chant.
Is this the
Next verse, yes. 9, I'll just change it, yes.
महीं मूलाधारे कमपि मणिपूरे हुतवहं स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथं सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे.
Uttamam Anuradha Bhagini, well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Next one, next shloka, verse 10. Subbalakshmi Bhagini. Yes, please unmute. Subbalakshmi Bhagini. Subbalakshmi Sundareshan. Yes, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste.
Sudhadharasaraihi charanayugalantarvigalitaihi prapanchan sinchanti punarapi rasamnaya mahasaha avapya swam bhumim bhujaganibhamadyushtawalayam Swamatmanam kridva swapishikulakunday kuharini.
Here third line Bhagini. Bhujaganibha madhyushta. The dhyu wasn't very clear. Bhujaganibha madhyushta valayam. Last line. Swapishikulakunde kuharini. It's a hrasva, a short letter. So we should ensure that we do not prolong the E.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Well checked.
Dhanyavadaha.
Very good. Bharatvaj Mahodayaha. Bharatvaj Mahodayaha. Okay, I don't see your name here. Nikhil Bhatt Mahodayaha. Yes, Nikhil Bhatt Mahodaya, please unmute.
Namaste,
Verse
Bhagini.
11. Namaste.
Chaturbhih Shrikantaihi Shivayuvatibhih Panchabhirapi Prabhinnabhih Shambho Navabhirapi Mula Prakritibihi Chatushchatvar Varimshat वसुदलकलाश्रत्रिवलतयः श्रीरेखाभिस्सार्धं तव शरणनकूना परिणताः.
You should improve your fluency, Mahodaya, in reading, and Mahapranas should be better. Chaturbhi Shri Kantaihi Shiva Yuvatibhi Panchabhirapi. This is a tough verse, but still. Prabhinnabhi Shambhoho Navabhirapi Moola Prakritibhihi. The third line, there was some confusion I felt in the letters while chanting. Chatushchatvarimshat Vasudala Kalashrat Trivalayat Trirekhabhisardham. So you will get it with practice. Once you keep listening and practicing, you will get it, Mahodaya.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. Chandrika Parashuraman Bhagini, please unmute. Chandrika Parashuraman Bhagini. Okay, I don't see your name here. Ramachandran Mahodaya. Okay, there are many Ramachandran Mahodayas here. Okay, Ramachandran Gangadharan Ayyar Mahodaya, I think you had registered. Ramachandran Mahodaya, please unmute.
Yes. This is 12th verse.
Yes, 12th verse, please. Yes.
Vadhiyam sundaryam tuhina giri kanye tulayutum kavindra kalpante katamapi virinchin prabhritayah yada lokau sukyat amaralana yanti manasa tapobhir dushprapamapi girisha sayujya padavim.
There was a lot of echo, Mahodaya. It's probably because you've logged in maybe from two devices from the same location. So I couldn't hear some parts clearly. Anyway, Tvadiyam Saundaryam Tuhinagiri Kanye Tulaitum. Then the next line, it is Virinchip Prabhritayah. And third line, Yada Lokaut Sukyat, we chant together. We don't pause between that word. Yada Lokaut Sukyat Amara Lalana Yanti Manasa. Then next line, we pause after Tapobhir Dushprapam. Tapobhir Dushprapam Api Girisha Sayujya Padavim. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha.
Yeah, well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. All of you, please note that wherever we have to pause, that Vishramasthanam, that where we pause is called Yati in a line. So for every chandas, it is at a different point. Here for this Shikharini chandas, we have told you where you can pause. So please pause there. However, if you choose not to pause also, it's perfect. But you should combine the sandhi then. And then chant the entire line. But if you choose to pause, you can see that gap. You can pause there and then chant accordingly. HR Nagaraj Mahodaya. Next one. HR Nagaraj Mahodaya. 13th verse. Please unmute HR Nagaraj Mahodaya.
Yes. I unmuted.
Yes.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Ram.
Yeah. Which one shall I?
Naram Varshiyamsam.
Gurubhyo Namah. Naram Varshiyamsam Nayana Virasam Narma Sujadam Tavapanga Loke Patitamanu-dhavanti shatashaha Galadveni bandhaha कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचयाः हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यो विगलितदुकूला युवतयः.
Very soothing chanting, Mahodaya, very melodious also. The nada was good. Few observations. First of all, in the last line, Hatha Trutyat Kanchyo, if you choose to say Kanchyo, then one should not pause there. It would be Hatha Trutyat Kanchyo Vigalita Dukula. If you want to pause, you could chant it as Hatha Trutyat Kanchyaha.
Okay.
I hope that is clear.
Yeah.
Could you chant the first line again?
Naram Varshiyamsam Nayana Virasam Narma Sujadam Tavapangaloke Patitamanu-dhavanti Shatashaha Galadveni Bandhaha Kuchakalasha Visrastasichayaha Hathat Trutyat Kanchyaha Vigalita Dukula Yuvatayaha.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Naram Varshi Yamsam. I mean, I couldn't hear that properly the first time. Well chanted. All of you, these rules of splitting the sandhi, etc. in our Vyoma courses, we are quite, clear about that. And also we insist on consistency, and you all should know the reason why in some books it is Kanchiyaha, why sometimes it is Kanchiyo. Many a time, we just chant without knowing the exact reason. The reason we tell you this is because whichever text you refer and any other chanting you hear, you should be able to know the exact reason why, when you pause it is Kanchiyaha, when you combine it is Kanchiyo. That is because of the Sandhi rule. Here we follow that very consistently and clearly, but sometimes you see that it is not followed, but here we encourage you to follow it consistently. Very well chanted, Nagaraj Mahodaya. Revati Suresh Bhagini, please unmute. Verse 14.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Kshitau Shat Panchashat Dvisamadhika Panchashadudake Hutashe Dvashashtihi Chaturadhika Panchashadanile Dividvishatrimshat Manasi cha Chatushashtiritiye Mukhaste Shama Parit.
Mukha iti nasti tatra. Mayukhaste shamapyupari.
Yes, sorry. Mayukhaste shamapyupari tava padambujayugam.
Uttamam Revati Bhagini. Just that part in reading. Yeah, dhanyavadaha, well chanted. Next, verse 15. Ganesh Subramanyam Mahodayah. Ganesh Subramanyam Mahodayah. I see only Ganesh here. It's probably, you have probably registered Mahodaya. Ganesh Mahodaya, please unmute.
Yes. Yeah, Hari Om.
Hari Om, yes.
Is 15th?
Yes, 15th.
Yeah. Sharajyotsna Shuddham Shashiyuta Jata Juta Vakmakutam Varatra Satrana Spatika Ghatika Pustakakaram Sakrannatva Natva Kathamiva Satam Sannidadhate Madhukshira Madhurina Panitayaha.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Second line. Bharatra Satrana Spatika Ghatika Pustakakaram. There we don't pause, and also Spatika Ghatika, Mahapranas, only two are there. Ka is an alpa prana, Ghatika. Then third line, Sakran Natva Natva. I heard it as Na, as in like, you know, like this Na in Dhanitaya. I heard it that way. It is not that Na, it is Na. Sakran Natva Natva. Correct. And fourth line again, we don't split. So Madhu Kshira Draksha Madhuri Madhurina Bhanitaya. Yes, these are the observations. Well chanted, Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Next. Geeta Ashok Bhagini. Please unmute Geeta Ashok Bhagini. Verse 16.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Kavindranam chetak kamalavana balataparuchim bhajante ye santaha katichitarunameva bhavati virinchi preyasyaha tarunatarash Shinkara lahari gabira birvagbihi vidadi sadam sanchanamami.
Vidadhati satam ranjanamami.
Ranjanamami.
Vidadhati.
Letters are very small. Vidadhati sadam ranjanamami.
Is it better now?
Okay. Shall I repeat once the whole?
Yes.
Kavindra.
You're looking at the screen, is it?
Yeah. Full PPT is not there. Full screen.
Full screen. Yeah, that is. I've actually opened the names on the side, so I don't know why it is reducing the size of the PPT.
Small font is there.
Is it better now?
Okay. Kavindranam chetak Kamalavana bala taparuchim bhajante ye santaha katichitarunameva bhavati virinji preyasyaha tarunatara shinkara lahari gabira
here Shringara Lahari Gabhira Bhirvagbhihi. Lahari is Dirgha.
Tarunatara Shinkara Lahari Gabira Bhirvagbhihi Vidadi Sadam.
Vidadhati Satam.
Vidadati Sadam Ranjanimami.
Ranjanamami. The last line you should practice the letters also better, Bhagini. Gabhira Bhirvagbhihi. Mahapranas. Vidadhati Satam Ranjanamami.
Vidadhati Sadam Ranjanamami.
The second dha is Mahaprana. Vidadhati. That should be clearer.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. With practice, all of you will be able to get it. No problem. Next. Veena Bhagini. Veena Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. 17th one.
Savitri bhirvacham shashimani shila bhangaruchibhihi vashinyadhyabhistvam sahajanani sanchintayati yaha sakarta kavyanam bhavati mahatam bhangiruchibhihi vachobhirvagdevi vadana kamala moda madhuraihi.
Last line, we don't pause anywhere. Vachobhirvagdevi vadana kamala moda madhuraihi. We chant at a stretch. And bhangiruchibhihi. Bha everywhere. A lot of Mahapranas here. All Mahapranas involve the letter Bha except one, except Dha here. Madhuraihi. So the Bha should be clearer.
Okay, thank you.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well chanted. Next. Sneha Bhagini, Sneha G. Joshi. Yes, Sneha Bhagini. Ram.
तनुच्छायाभिस्ते तरुणतरणी श्रीशरणिभिः दिवां सर्वामुर्वीम् अरुणिमणिमग्नां स्मरति यः भवत्यस्य द्वनहरिणशालीननयनाः सहोर्वश्यावश्यः कति न गीर्वाणगणिकाः.
Few changes here. Tanuchaya bhiste taruna tarani shri. There is a dvitvam. Tarani shri saranibhihi. It is not divam. It is divam sarvam urvim. The hrasvasvara dirghasvara distinction should be clearer. That is the short letter, long letter. Aruni mani magnam smaratiyaha. The third line is Bhavantyasyatrasyaddvanahariणशालीननयनाः. That you should practice more, Bhagini. And the last line, Sahorvashyavashyaha. So the samyuktaksharas, conjunct consonants, and the short and long letter distinction, that should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha.
Shall I repeat
it's
again?
All about, yeah, it's all about getting a fluency of reading, which you will all develop gradually. And you will also, once you are perfect in reading, then you can start memorizing the verses. The key is Shravanam. Keep listening to the correct pronunciation. Try to keep repeating every day. Then you will, with consistency, you will definitely be able to master them. Karthik Narayana Swami Mahodaya. Please unmute. Next verse, that is the 19th verse.
Namaste, Bhagini. Very good evening.
Namaste. Good evening.
And this is my first class. After a very long time, I've joined your courses. I've been inspired to join your course. So that's why I've joined this also. I need your help if I make any mistakes.
Please.
Mukam bindum kritva kuchayugama jastyaya tadbaha.
Let me stop you there. Mukham bindum kritva.
Mukam bindum kritva.
Kucha yuga madhastasya.
Kucha yuga madhastasya.
Tadadhaha.
Tadadaha.
Next line.
Haradam Harardam Dayayedya. Dayedyaha. Haramahasite manamatkalam.
Haramahishite.
Haramahishite Manmatakalam. Sasadasyam Shobham.
Sasadyasankshobham.
Sasadyam Shobham.
Sadyasankshobham. Sadyasankshobham.
Sadyasankshobham. Nayati Vanita. Vanita Ityati Lagu. Triloki.
Not Triloki. Triloki Mapyashu.
Triloki Mapyashu. Brahmayati Ravindustanayugam. Ravindustanayugam.
Uttama Mahodaya, I see that when I teach you, you're able to repeat better than just reading. So what you should do is, you should go to the YouTube videos where we are doing the repetition mode, as in panelists where they are repeating. So that would be easier for you. So you can just listen to small parts of the shloka and repeat when the panelist is repeating. It will be there in the video. So that would make it easier for you to learn every verse perfectly.
Okay, fine.
Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha.
Very good effort. Vijaya Lakshmi S. Bhagini, next one. Yes, next Vijaya Lakshmi S. Bhagini. 20th verse.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Kiranti mangebhyah kiranani kurumba mritarasam hriditva madhatte himakara shila murtimivayah sasarpanandarpam shamayati shakuntadhipaiva jvara plishtan drishtya Jvara-plushtan drishtya sukhayati sudhadharasiraya.
Uttamam. The first line, Kirana nikurumbamritarasam. Kirana, it is na, not na. That
Okay,
should be
Bhagini.
clearer, the distinction between na and na. Next line, could you chant the second line, Bhagini?
Hriditva madatte
Dha is Mahaprana. Hriditva madhatte. Ta is Alpa Prana, only dha is Mahaprana.
Okay.
And
Hriditva
last line.
madhatte.
Last line, Jvara Plushtan. There is a dvitvam between ra and pa. There is a dvitvam. Jvara Plushtan.
Jvara plushtan. Jvara plushtan drishtya.
Sukhayati sudhadhara siraya. That you chanted correctly.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Yeah. So before we go to the first verse again, just a few announcements. First of all, thank you all very much. All those who took time out to send your feedback. It was very, very invaluable to us and a great learning experience for us also, because the kind of experiences each one has are very different. And depending on your, what you're doing, sometimes we have young students, school students, and we have retired persons, and we have a huge age group here, right? From, I think, 5 or 6 year olds till 70 plus. So it was very nice reading all your feedbacks, and we've read each one of them. Thank you so much for taking time out. Some of you have sent us suggestions also, asking for recordings. We will be doing that. We will be uploading a proper recording of all the verses, chanting, but we will just decide whether we have to do it in parts or we do the entire Saundarya Lahari, or maybe 2 parts, something like that. So that you will be receiving it in a few weeks. Till then, you can practice with the recordings which are available. So thank you very much once again. And the second also very important announcement is on 14th December, that is day after tomorrow, Tuesday, is Gita Jayanti. So many of you were in the Gita webinar. Last year also we had Parayanam in Vyoma of all the verses of the Gita, all the 18 chapters. Many of them requested that we have it this year also. So accordingly, we are going to have online Parayanam on 14th between 3 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. IST. All the chapters one after the other. So there will be different Parayana Kartas. You can simultaneously chant at home, and all of you, please log in. The Zoom details have already been sent to you by email, so please look out for the email. Please log in with the Zoom details and join us for the Parayanam. It is going to be very nice. Last year also many of them enjoyed. So without fail, I hope you all join us for Gita Parayanam, and it is open to everyone, not just those who have taken Vyoma's courses. So any other like-minded aspirants, Rasikas, friends, relatives who want to join, please forward the email to them, the login details to them, and they will be able to join the Zoom webinar for Gita recitation. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Now we will go back to the chanting. We have quite a few who have sent their names. So let us go back to chanting. The last person who chanted was Vijay Lakshmi S. Okay. Devika Ravi Bhagini. Devika Ravi Bhagini's name I don't see. Uma Devi Bhagini. Uma Devi Bhagini also I don't see. Gajalakshmi Vivi Bhagini. The first verse, please. Gajalakshmi Vivi Bhagini.
Hari Om Bhagini.
Hari Om, yes. First verse.
Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha Yadi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitum Na Chedevam Devaha Na Khalu Kushalasan
Kushalaspanditumapi.
Kushalaspanditumapi Atastvamadhyam Harihara Virinchadhibhirapi Pranatum Stotum Va Katamakrita Punya Prabhavati.
Tamam. Here Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha. Kta is not Mahaprana. Similarly, Yadi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitum. Again, Kta. Tha is not a Mahaprana here. Next line, Nakhalu Kushalas Spanditumapi. All here, Spanditumapi. Next line, Harihara Virinchadi Bhirapi, Prabhavati. They are all Hrasvas. So we should not prolong the last letter. And maybe if you can improve your fluency in the reading, that would be better. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Well chanted. Next, Shri Vidya Bhagini. Shri Vidya Bhagini, there are 3 of them. I don't know who has registered. Vidya 9871. Is it Shri Vidya Venkatraman Bhagini? Please unmute.
Yeah, I'm Shri Vidya Venkatraman. Yeah.
You had registered, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yes, please. Second verse.
Yeah, Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Taniyam sampamsum tava charana pankeruha bhavam virinchis sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi kathamapi sahasrena shirasam harat samshuddyenam Bhajati basito dhulana vidhim.
Okay, last line again, Bhagini.
Harasam shuddhainam.
Harasam shubhyainam.
Harasam shudhainam.
Harasam shubhyainam.
Harasam shudhainam. Bhajati basito dhulana vidhim.
Mahapranas. Bhajati bhasito dhulana vidhim. 4 Mahapranas in that part. So each one should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay. Yeah.
Dhanyavadaha. Next, Sundar Kalyan Mahodaya. Sundar Kalyan Mahodaya, please unmute. Sundar Kalyan Mahodaya. I can see your name as Sundar Kalyana Sundaram. Please unmute, Mahodaya. Okay. V. Kamala Bhagini. V. Kamala Bhagini, yes. Third verse, Kamala Bhagini, please unmute. Yes. Kamala Bhagini, you are unmuted. You can chant.
अच्छा ओके ओके अविद्यानामन्तस्थिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरी पनगरी जडानां चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्द करन्दस्तुतिझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति.
The second line should be clearer, Bhagini. Chaitanyastabakamakarandasrutijhari. There was some.
Shall I repeat once more? Shall I repeat?
That's okay, Bhagini. Sorry, because we have around 80 plus. So second line, if you can improve, that would be better. Dhanyavadaha. Yes.
Adhuna shruyate va?
Adhuna shruyate param कृपया नाम वदतु. सुन्दर कल्याण.
सुन्दर कल्याण.
आम् महोदय. इदानीं भवान् चतुर्थ श्लोकं वदतु.
वदन्यः पाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेका नैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्यभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ.
धन्यवादाः महोदय. Well chanted. धन्यवादाः. Next, NP Vishalakshi Bhagini. Please unmute. Yes, NP Vishalakshi Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram.
6th verse.
Okay. हरिस्त्वामाराध्यं प्रणतजनसौभाग्यजननीं पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभमनयत् स्मरो वित्वां नत्वा प्रतिनयनलेह्येन वपुषा मुनीनामभ्यन्तः प्रभवति मोहाय महताम्.
First word, Haristwamaradhya. That's it. I mean, I heard some other letter after dhya. Haristwamaradhya pranata jana saubhagya jananim. Next line, Puranari bhutva puraripumapi kshobhamanayat. Some slight changes were there in between. So those, if you can correct them, that would be good. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay.
Next. Ramakrishnan Mahodayah. Ramakrishnan Seshan Mahodayah. Yes. There is some disturbance though. Unable to hear, unable to make out. Okay, not hearing anything now. Anuradha Bhagini. Anuradha Shankar Bhagini. Please unmute. Anuradha Shankar Bhagini, yes.
The 6th shloka.
Yes.
Dhanu pushpam maurvi.
Paushpam, not pushpam, paushpam.
Paushpam maurvi madhukaramayi panchavishikhaha vasantas samantaha malaya marudayo dhanarataha tathapyekas sarvam हिमगिरिसुते कामपि कृपाम् अपाङ्गात्तो लब्ध्वा
अपाङ्गाते लब्ध्वा
अपाङ्गात्ते लब्ध्वा जगदितमनङ्गो विजयते.
Okay. First line again.
धनुः पौष्पं मौर्वी मधुकरमयी पञ्चविशिखाः.
Okay, Bhagini. Yes. Dhanyavadaha. Some slight changes were there in reading, but more or less okay. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Next. Nivedita Ravi.
Ram. Ma'am, I am a school student. I am in 9th grade.
Okay, very good, Nivedita. Yes. You can chant this 7th verse.
Yes, ma'am. Vanadkachidama karikala bhakum bhastananata parikshina madhye parinata sharaj chandravadana dhanurbanan pasham srinimapi dadhana karatalaihi purastadastannaha Puramadhituraho Purushika.
Purushika. So you chanted well, Nivedita. Your fluency in reading should be better so that you'll be more confident when you chant. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. So please practice the verses. Yeah, so that you'll have more confidence and clarity while chanting. Manoj Swaminathan Mahodaya. Please unmute.
Namaskar.
Namaste. 8th verse.
Sudha Sindhor Madhye Suravitapi Vati Parivrute Manidvipe Nipo Pavanavati Chinta Manigrihe Shivakare Manche Paramashiva Paryanka Nilayam Bhajanti Tvam Dhanya Katichana Chidanandalaharim.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Just one thing, Chintamani Grihe, one word. We don't split as Chintamani Grihe, Chintamani Grihe, one word. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Next. Ravi Chandar S. Mahodaya.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Mahim Mooladhare.
Mahim Mooladhare. Yes. Mahim Mooladhare Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham Sthitham Swadhishthane Hridi Marutamakashamupari Manopi Bhrumadhye Sakalamapi Bhitva Kulapatham Sahasrare Padme Saharahasi Patya Viharase.
So Hridi Maruta Makasha Mupari. We do not prolong it. It is a Hrasvaswara. Dhanyavadaha.
The re I extended, is it? The
yes,
re I
yes.
made it like a dirgha, is it?
Yeah, like a dirgha.
Okay, since it's a line ending, I might have gone a little more.
Yes, that is generally the tendency we have at the line ending. So there we should be more careful.
Thanks.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next. Jaya Lakshmi Bhagini. Jaya Lakshmi Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
I tried for a long time and I could join just now only. Sorry for that.
Oh, no problem. I don't know why you there was some problem like that. We will check.
I got it settled.
Okay. Sudha Dhara Sarehi.
Yeah, 1 minute. सुधाधारासारैः चरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितैः प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नायमहसः अवाप्य स्वां भूमिं भुजगनिभमद्युष्टवलयं स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे कुहरिणि.
उत्तमं भगिनी, well chanted.
Thank you.
धन्यवादाः. Next, Aditi Venkatesh. Aditi Venkatesh Bhagini, please unmute. Next verse.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaturbhi Shri Kantaihi.
Yes, ma'am. Chaturbhi Shri Kantaihi Shiva Yuvatibhi Panchabhirapi Prabhinnabhishambhoho Navabhirapi Mula Prakrutibhihi Chatushchatvarimshat Vasudalakala Trivalaya Sardham Tava Sharanakona Parinataha.
First of all, the first line, it is not Panchabhirapi, it is Panchabhirapi. And next line, it is not Mula Prakrutibhihi, it is Mula Prakrutibhihi. It is a Hrasva and there is a Dvitvam. Mula Prakrutibhihi. And last line, Tava Sharana Kona Parinataha. The Na should be clearer. It was heard as Na, like this Nava, you know. That's not the Na here. Tava Sharana Kona Parinataha. So please pay attention to these. Aditi, Dhanyavadaha. Next, Vasudha Shrikant Bhagini. Please unmute the 12th verse.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Twadiyam Saundaryam Tuhinagiri Kanye Tulagitum Kavindra Kalpante Kathamapi Virinchi Prabhritayaha Yada Lokautsukhyat Amaralalanaayam Timanasa Tapobhirdushprapam api girisha sayujya padavim.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha. Bhushan Kumar Mahodayaha. Okay, I don't see him here. Next is Nagashri Bhagini. Nagashri Bhagini. Naram Varshiyamsam. You're unmuted, Nagashri Bhagini. Please unmute. Okay. V. Chandrakala Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Nagashri.
Okay, just a second. Chandrakala Bhagini next, please. Nagashri Bhagini just unmuted. Yes, please chant this. Naram Varshiyamsam.
Naram Varshiyamsam Nayana Virasam Narma Sujadam Tava Pangaloke Patitamanu Dhavanti Shatashaha Galadveni Bandhaha Kuchakalasha Visrasta Sichayaha Hatatrutyat Kanchaha Vigalita Dukula Yuvatayaha.
Okay. Hatrutyat Kanchyaha. The Mahaprana should be clearer there, Bhagini. Hatrutyat Kanchyaha. Chandrakala V. Bhagini, next one.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram, 18th verse.
14.
Sorry, 14. Yes.
Shritau Shat Panchashat Dvisamadhika Panchashadudake हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिकपञ्चाशत् पञ्चादशनिले
पञ्चाशदनिले
पञ्चाशदनिले दिवि द्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि मनसि च
चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये
मनसि च
चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये
चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामप्युपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम्।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी। नेक्स्ट अलका अलकाकारन्त भगिनी, प्लीज अनम्यूट। शरद ज्योत्स्ना।
Namaste, madam. This is the first time I am joining. I know that there may be mistakes. So
that's okay. That's okay. Please chant.
Okay. Sharadjyotsna shuddham shashiyuta jatajuta makutam
वरत्रासत्राणस्फटिक घटिका पुस्तककराम्
स्फटिक घटिका पुस्तककराम् कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षां
मधुरीणां फणितयः
मधुरीणां फणितयः।
Yeah, please practice, Bhagini. You will be able to chant. Yes. Please practice. All of you, please practice at home. Then you will be able to chant easily. Atul Krishna Mahodayah. Okay, not here. Vedavalli Raj Vedavalli Kumar Mahodayah. Next verse.
Namaskaram.
Namaste.
Namaskaram ji.
Namaste Bhagini. Please chant.
Kavindranam Chedak Kamalavana Valataparuchim Bhajante ye santaka kadichitarunameva bhavadim virinji preyasya tarunatara shinkaralahari kabirabhivakbhihi vidadhadi sadam ranjanamami.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. One consistent observation is you are giving Mahapranas where there are no Mahapranas. Like Thapa Ruchim, Tha was Mahaprana everywhere, and Kachichi Darunam eva. So there are multiple Mahapranas heard. We should not chant it as Mahaprana when there is no Mahaprana. Only where I have highlighted, only that should be Mahaprana. Here also Vidadhati, only the second letter is Mahaprana. So please focus on that, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Purnima Kulkarni Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Savitridhirvacham.
Savitridhirvacham
शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां सह जननि सञ्चिन्तयति यः सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिरुचिभिः वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदनकमला मोदमधुरैः
Last line, Bhagini, we should not split like that. Vachobhir vagdevi vadana kamala moda madhuraihi. Only that change, Bhagini, to chant continuously. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Hemavati Shankar Bhagini, 18th verse. Please chant Hemavati Shankar Bhagini. Tanuchayabhiste. Okay, unable to hear Hemavati Shankar Bhagini. Next, Lata Mahadevan Bhagini. I don't see anyone with that name. Tejaswini Bhagini. Tejaswini Bhagini also I don't see. Meena Ramanarayanan Bhagini, please unmute. Meena Ramanarayanan Bhagini, Mukham Bindum Krutva, please unmute. Meena Ramanarayanan Bhagini. Okay, not unmuting. Krishna Narayan Mahodaya. Krishna Narayan Mahodaya. I see just a Krishna here. Mahodaya, Krishna, did you register as Krishna Narayan?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, Bhagini, please.
Namaste, Ram Ram. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so 18th or 19th?
You can chant 18th. I mean 19th, sorry.
Mukham bindum kritva kujayugamadhastasya tadatha harardham dhyayetyah haramahishite manmathakalam sasadya samkshobham nayati vanita ityati lakhu triloki mapyashu Brahmayati Ravindustanayugam.
Ravindustanayugam. Triloki mapyashu Brahmayati Ravindustanayugam. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Next, Geeta A. Ganesh Bhagini. Please chant the next one.
Bhagini.
Kiranti Mangebhyah.
Kiranti Mangebhyah Kirani Kurumbhamrita Kirani Kurumbhamritarasam Hriditvam adhatte.
Hriditvam, it is not Hriditvam. Hriditvam adhatte.
Hriditvam adhatte. Himakarashilhamurtimivayah sasarpanam dharpam shamayati shakuntadhipaiva jvaraplushtan drishtva jvaraplushtan drishtya sukhayati sudhadhara siraya.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Those changes which I made. And
just
also,
back.
Sorry?
Meena Ramanarayan is just back.
Just a second. Let me finish with the one who just chanted. That is, sorry, who was just chanting? Geeta A. Ganesh Bhagini, I think you were chanting. Bhagini, please note the changes I made. And also, it is not Iva, it is Iva. So please note that. Meena Ramanarayanan Bhagini, please unmute.
Yes.
Yes. No, the first shloka.
Oh. Shiva Shaktya
शक्तः यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुं न चेदेवं देवः न खलु कुशलस्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिहरविरिञ्चाधिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवति.
Yeah, everywhere it was prolonged, the last letter. Spanditumapi, it is spanditumapi, virinchadibhirapi, prabhavati. So that should not be prolonged. It is not a long letter, it is a short letter. So please note that, Bhagini, that should be modified so that it is heard as a hrasva, not as a dirgha. Next, Vaidehi Krishnan Bhagini. Second verse, please.
Tani, Ram, are you able to hear me?
Yes, please chant.
Taniyam sampamsum tava charana pankeruha bhavam virinchis sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi kathamapi sahasrena shirasam harasamkshubhyainam bhajati basitodhulana vidhim.
Okay, here it is sahasrena, it is not sahasrena. And harasamkshubhyainam bha mahaprana bhajati basitodhulana vidhim. The mahapranas should be clearer. Vaidehi Bhagini. Next, Karpagam Chandrasekharan Mahodayah. Okay, you said you have registered as Anu Chandru. Okay, I don't see the name also. Anirudh Mahodaya. Anirudh Mahodaya. Yes, please unmute. Chant the third verse.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So you've registered as Anirudh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please chant. Yes.
Avidyanamam tastimiramirad-dvipanagari jadanam chaitanyastavakamakarandaśruti-jale daridranam chintamani gunanika janmajaladhau nimagnanam damshtra muraripuvarahasya bhavati.
Well chanted. The voice was very soft in a few places. The na distinction should be clear. I mean, like I said, I don't know if it's because the voice was very soft, but anyway, dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Saraswati Balachandran Bhagini, please unmute. Vadanyappanibhyam.
Ram, Bhagini, can you hear me?
Yes, please chant.
Yes, madam. Vadanyappanibhyam abhayavarado devataganaha tvameka naivasi prakatitavarabhityabhinaya bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vancha samadhikam sharanye lokanam tavahi charanaveva nipunau.
It is not phalam, it is phalam. Like I always say, in Sanskritam, we don't say phalam. There is no fa. It is phalam. Pa. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Next, Suvarna Sudagoni Bhagini. Yes, Suvarna Sudagoni Bhagini.
Namo Namaha Guruji.
Namo Namaha.
Haristvamadhya Pranatana Saubhagya Janani Pura Nari Bhutva Puraripumapikshobhamanayat Smarupitva Natva रतिनयनलेहेन वपुषा मुनीनामप्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम्. नमो नमः.
Dhanyavadaha, Swarna Bhagini. Well chanted. Combined the sandhis also well. Very good. Next, Janaki Shivasubramanian Bhagini. Please unmute and please chant the next verse. Dhanuf Paushpam.
धनु पौष्पं मौर्वी मधुकरमयी पञ्चविशिखाः वसन्तः सामन्तः मलयमरुदायो धनरतः तथाप्येकः सर्वं हिमगिरिसुते कामपि कृपाम् अपाङ्गाप्ते लब्ध्वा जगति तमनङ्गो विजयते.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Yodha Narathaha. That tha Mahaprana also should be clear. Next, Uma Suresh. Uma Suresh Bhagini. I don't see anyone with the name Uma Suresh. There is one Uma. I don't know if she is Uma Suresh. Uma Bhagini. Please unmute. Okay. Next we have Rajalakshmi Krishnan Bhagini. Rajalakshmi Krishnan Bhagini, please unmute. Kwanat Kanchi Dama.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. Yes.
Kwanatkanchi dama karikalabhakumbhasthananata parikshina madhye parinata sharatchandravadana dhanupanan pasham shrunimapi dadha.
Srinimapi. It is not Shri, it is Sri.
Srinimapi dadhana karatalaihi Purastadastanah Puramatituraho Purushika.
Uttamam Bhagini. Apart from those changes which I told you, rest was okay. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Next, Shweta Varma Bhagini. Next verse. Please unmute. Sudha Sindhor Madhye.
Ram.
Ram.
Before I chant, I have a question with your permission, if I may ask.
Can we have the question in the end? Because we have a lot of people still waiting to chant. Yes.
Sure.
Dhanyavadaha.
Sudha Sindhor Madhye Surapitapi Vati Parivrite Manitvipe Niko Pavanavati Chinta Manigrihe Shivakare Manche Paramashiva Paryanka Nilayam Bhajanti Twan Dhanyaha Katichana Chidanandalahari.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well chanted. After the class, you can ask me your question. Sorry, because we have others waiting and it's already past class time. Next, Vijayalakshmi Bhagini. There are two of them. Vijayalakshmi S, I think. Next verse, Vijayalakshmi Bhagini.
Ma'am, I already told, ma'am.
Already chanted. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next, another Vijayalakshmi Bhagini is there. Please unmute. Mahim Mooladhare, Vijayalakshmi Bhagini. Vijayalakshmi Bhagini. Okay. R. Sulochana Bhagini. Okay, I don't see the name. Hari Kumari Bhagini. Mahim Mooladhare.
Mahim Mooladhare Kamapi Manipure Hutavaham Stitam Swadhishtane Hrudi Marutamakāsamupari Manopi Bhrumadhye Sakalamapi Bhitvankulapadam Sahasrare Padme सह रहसि पथ्या विहरसे.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Here kamapi manipure hutavaham sthitam. Sthi is mahaprana. Sthitam swadhishthane. That should be clearer. And it is sakalamapi. And hridi maruta makasha. Sha and sa were interchanged in one or two places. So please note that. Maruta makasha. And next is sakalamapi bhitva. So please note that sa sha distinction. That is Hari Kumari Bhagini. Then Swaminathan Mahodayah. Panchanadam Swaminathan Mahodayah. Okay, I don't see anyone with that name. Next, Shri Lata Bhagini. Shri Lata Bhagini also I don't see. Meenakshi. Meenakshi Vaikalatur Bhagini. Okay. Gopal Mahodayah. Please unmute.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Sudhadhara Saraihi.
Sudhadhara Saraihi Charana Yugalantar Vigalithaihi Prapancham Sinchanti Punarapirasam Nayamahasaha Avapya Swam Bhumim Bhujaganidhamadhyushtawalayam Swamatmanam Kritva Swapishikula Kunde Kuharini.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. All the others, please be on mute. Sasi, I don't see. Gayatri, I don't see Gayatri here. Dr. Gayatri Harikumar Bhagini, is that you who is registered?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please chant Chaturbhi Shri Kantaihi.
Chaturbhi Shri Kantaihi Shiva Yuvatibhih Panchabhirapi Prabhinna Bishambhoho Navabhirapi Mula Prakritibihi Chatushchatvarimshat Vasudhalakala Trivalayar Trirekabir Bisardam Tava Sharana Konaf Parinataha.
Bhagini, your Mahapranas everywhere should be more clear. This verse itself has many Mahapranas. So please work on your Mahapranas. Everywhere they should be clearer. Who else is speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Uma. Okay. Yes. Okay. I muted all of them, I hope. Next is Sushila Venkatraman Bhagini. Please unmute.
Namaste. Can I chant? Twadiyam Saundaryam Tuhina Iri Kanye Tulayitum Kavindra Kalpante Kathamapi Virincha Prabhrutayaha Yada Lokaustukyat Yada Lokaustukyat Amaralalana Yanti Manasa Tapobhirdusprapam Tapobhirdusprapam Apigirisha Sayujya Padavim.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. We learned it as and we teach as Virinchi Prabhatayaha. You chanted Virincha. I have only heard Virinchi version, but in Sanskritam Virinchi, Virincha both mean Brahma. But in Saundarya Lahari, as far as I have heard, it is Virinchi Prabhatayaha. Probably there is another version which you have, maybe your text has Virincha. As far as meaning is concerned, Virinchi, Virincha both refer to Brahma. Just wanted to point this out to you. Next, Kalyani Bhagini. Kalyani Bhagini, please unmute. 13th verse. Kalyani Shekhar. Yes.
Shruyate va?
Shruyate Bhagini.
नरौ वर्षीयांसं नयनविरसं नर्मसुजडं तवापाङ्गालोके पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः गलद्वेणीबन्धाः कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचयाः हठात् तृप्यत्काञ्च्यः विगलितदुकूला युवतयः.
उत्तमं कल्याणी भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. नेक्स्ट श्रीप्रिया भगिनी, SK श्रीप्रिया. Okay, I don't see. Okay, yes, Shankarapuram Shripriya, I think. Is that you?
Bhagini.
Yes. Vadatu. Shitau Shat Panchashat.
Shitau Shat Panchashat Visamadhika Panchashad Dukhe
Panchashadudake
Panchashadudake Hutashe Dvashashtihi Chaturadhika Panchashatan Nile Dividvishashtrimshat Dividvishashtrimshat Manasi Chatushashtiritiye Mayukhaste Shamabhyuparitava Padambujayugam.
A few words have to be corrected, Bhagini, and also Dividvishat Trimshat. It is a Dvitvam. Dividvishat Trimshat. That should be clearer. Lakshmi Achyuta Bhagini. I don't see anyone with that name. Lakshmi, there is one person. Is that you, Bhagini? Just logged in as Lakshmi. Please unmute, Lakshmi Bhagini. Okay. Uma Subramanian Bhagini. Okay. Venkata Subramanian Mahodaya. Please unmute Mahodaya. Sharad Jyotsna Shuddham.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Harajyot Sharajyotsra Jotra Shuddham.
Jyotsna
Sharajyotsna Shuddham Sashiyuta Jata Juta Makutam Varatra Satranas Spatika Dhatika Pustakakaram Sakrinatva Natva.
It is not Natva, Sakrinatva Natva.
Sakrinatva Natva Kathamiva Satam Sannidhate.
Sannidhate. Only second dha is Mahaprana.
Sannidhate. Mayu Kshira Draksha.
Madhu, not Mayu, Madhu.
Madhushri Radraksha Madhuri Durina Panitaya Panitayaha.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Please improve fluency. Last line is Madhukshira Draksha Madhurina Panitayaha. Please note that clearly. Vaibhavi, Kamakshi and Lakshmi, 3 names. Request all the 3 of you to chant together if you are in the same system. Kavindranam Chetah Kamala, all 3 of you please chant together.
Mama, can we chant individually?
No, please, because we are way past our time and we have a few more and there is a question also. So
can we
chant together? Chant the same shloka together. Kavindranam.
So can we read the first verse?
Yes, yes, please.
Yes, no.
Okay, you want the first verse on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
शिवशक्त्यायुक्तः यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुं न चेदेवं देवः न खलु कुशलः पण्डितुमपि अतः स्वामाराध्यं हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि गणन्तु स्तोत्रं वा कथमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवति.
Uttamam, very well chanted. Can you tell me which classes you all are in?
Vaibhavi, I am studying in 3rd standard.
Okay.
And Kamakshi, she's 3 years old, LKG.
Okay.
My mom.
Okay, dhanyavadaha. Very good children. Very well chanted. Maybe in some other class you can chant individually. Very happy to know that the young children are learning well. Very nice. Dhanyavadaha. Please practice and memorize all of them. Subha Narasimhan Bhagini. You can chant the 2nd verse, Bhagini, now that we've started with 1. Subha Narasimhan Bhagini. Please unmute. Please unmute, Bhagini. Okay. Next, Shankara Narayanan Mahodayaha. Okay, I don't see. So with this, we come to the end of the list, which the list is as it was at 5:50 or 5:50, 4:50 or 4:55 p.m. Just before the class, I had this list, as in the list was extracted. So whoever has registered after the class started, obviously your names are not here. So maybe next time you will get a chance to chant individually. The form was sent out to everyone, whoever is registered, and on your registered email ID. So whatever you have registered in the in Sanskrit from home, one of the questions, when dha combined with ya, does it not to be a Mahaprana? Dr. Sandhya Bhagini, no need. If it is the plus ya, for example, vidya, avidyanam, there is no Mahaprana there. However, if it is like Sandhya, dha plus ya, there it is Mahaprana. It depends on which the is combining. Vidya, there it is not a Mahaprana. Sandhya, there it is a Mahaprana. So that is the way you need to do it. And also, whoever has registered, I've called out all the names. In fact, if you have registered with a different name and I couldn't get you here, probably next time. Okay, regarding Gita chanting, Indira Bhagini, it is sent out on the same email ID on which you have registered. Anyone who has not got the Gita chanting login details, please send me an email personally, brunda.vyoma. I will forward the details to you, because each and every Vyoma registrant on Sanskrit from home, all of them would have received the email on their registered email IDs. And if you have not got Indira Bhagini, please send me an email, brunda.vyoma@gmail.com. I will send you the login details. Also check your spam folder. Sometimes it goes to spam or promotion emails. Okay, so please check your promotion emails folder also. If you have still not got it, you can always email me, and I will send you the login details. Okay. I will conclude the class as usual with Shanti Mantraha. Then I think one of them had a doubt. Maybe you can ask me after the class. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvebhyaha Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Thank you for the overwhelming response once again. And I hope all of you who were here and who had raised your hand, and if you were with the same name, you have been given a chance to chant today. We will have more individual chanting sessions in future, but next class we are going to focus on learning the new verses. Dhanyavadaha, Ram Ram Ram. We will meet next Sunday at the same time. Dhanyavadaha.